Hi guys, we have just arrived at Hutt Lagoon, which is also known as Pink Lake. Due to the high salinity, it gives off this gorgeous pink colour. So it depends on what time of day you come, whether it's cloudy, sunny, depending on those weather elements, will depend on the colour, how pink it gets. So it's definitely worth a look, definitely a stop to do on your travels. It's situated in Port Gregory, which is an hour, just over an hour out of Geraldton, and it's on your way to Kalbarri. So from here to Kalbarri, you're looking at only 30 minutes, so well worth the stop.
Nothing to discuss more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah. Double cup saying shy. See this night I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget that.
Nature's Walk is situated in the stunning Kalbarri National Park. The window is an easy 1 kilometre return walk from the car park with a short flight of stairs to begin with. Be sure to pack a good pair of walking shoes and plenty of water. The area is laden with flies, so bring a fly net if you've got one. Standard National Park feeds apply. We're here at Eagle Gorge Lookout. It's about 3 k's just out of Kalbarri. Absolutely beautiful, breathtaking views. So it's very accessible. The lookout is. And then off the lookout, you can actually do some trails. There's some hiking trails, and it's considered moderately easy. We'll let you know. We'll be the judge of that.
Got no issues, it's kinda nice. Like running water into a paradise. Got no drama, feels like we arrived. Picture perfect, it don't exist. But when I'm with you, don't have to question it. True devotion.
Welcome to our third episode of six holidays in 6 months. We are in, where are we, JJ?
We're in Kalbarri.
We're in Kalbarri. This is a short trip, no kids. It's been amazing. We had low expectations. I was last in Kalbarri over 20 years ago. JJ, you've never been before?
I've never been to Kalbarri.
And what have you thought?
It's amazing. There's so much to do, and we've only been here for 2 days, so it's not enough time to do all that we wanted to do, but in the little time we spent here, we're going to come back again for sure, and we'll probably do maybe 4 or 5 nights rather than 2.
Yeah, and we'll bring the kids for sure.
Yeah.
It's a really family-friendly town. I love that it's on the coast. There's lots of gorges, hikes, trails, all sorts of things that you can do. So you've got both the coastal side to it, but then also you've got the national park, which is the little inland. It's about 30 k's from the town centre. Absolutely worth a visit. You can't come to Kalbarri and miss out on that. The Skywalk and Nature's Window is what we did.
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Absolutely breathtaking. I would have liked to have done, I think it's the Kalbarri River Gorge, which is definitely on our list for next time. There is just so much to do, and we just haven't got around to doing everything, but we've done a decent amount, and we've absolutely loved it.
Yeah. So as you say, we're halfway through, and we've done three holidays, and wow, it's been quite a lot to get the 3 holidays in 3 months. Sometimes I think we might not make it to the 6, but we'll keep pushing on. And it's been a real good time, and hopefully our next adventure is equally as good, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. If you are, give a like and a subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one. From JJ and Gabs, thank you.
Bye.